Hey everybody, and welcome to week 4. So this week is kind of mostly a reflection week. We're going to really try to focus on our unit plan, wrapping up at least the draft of that. And so the two things that we're going to do this week are mostly, as I said, reflective. One of the things that you're going to do is you're going to be sharing your draft of your unit plan template with a partner. So what that will involve is you by Friday night sending a draft to your partner via direct message in Slack. And then you're going to have the whole weekend. You're going to have until Sunday night to review that and send any comments back to your partner. Again, this is just something that you're going to do in direct message. It's nothing that I'm going to be looking over. It's just going to be you having a chance to work with a partner to think about and share your ideas. So this is a week that's going to be really important to stay on top of timelines and make sure that you get things in just to be fair to your partner, just to be fair to your peers. So again, remember, get your own draft of what you have in by Friday night, and then get your reviews back by Sunday. And then that way they can have a chance to kind of look over some things and submit by Monday. That's the first part. The second part of this section is for us to review and add to the textbook. And so what you're going to do from your own writing, from your own reflection on unit planning, you're going to sit back and you're going to write a blog. Again, as usual, somewhere between 200 to 300 words. I'm not really too concerned about the length. But what I want you to do is be very specific and try to think about all the connections to what we've talked about in class and what you've done. Think about your students and your context for learning document. What might be some of the considerations that you've learned from that you might think about when you're doing your unit planning? Think about the connections to all the other things as well in the unit plan template. So what I want you to do is I want you to take one of those goals that you've taken. Think about how does it connect to standards? How does it connect to the cognitive and language demands? What might be the language demands that you would consider? How does it connect to assessment as we think of backwards design? So again, similarly, you're going to write a blog post about this, and then you're going to connect it to your name on the main page for unit planning. So as always, please send me a DM if you have any questions. I'm really excited to get a chance to see what you all have written, and have a great rest of the day. Be well.